How to find your Roblox user ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate your Roblox user ID. So initially, the first thing you will want to do is access your Roblox account. So for that, go to roblox.com, log into your account. And once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to your profile page. You can typically find a link to your profile on the Roblox website's main navigation menu, or you can tap on your name or the profile picture icon in the top left corner of this screen. This will take you to your profile page, direct your attention to the address bar located at the very top of your browser, which is something like roblox.com/users/a-set-of-numbers/profile. So within that Roblox link in the address bar, you will notice a series of numbers. These numbers represent your unique Roblox user ID. Now carefully go ahead and select and copy those numbers. You can paste them whenever or wherever you need to use your Roblox ID, such as when entering it into a form or sharing it with a friend. And that's all there is to it. Sincerely hope this explanation has been helpful to you in finding your Roblox user ID. So if this was helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and let me know in the comment section if you need any help regarding this. Thanks for watching.